So many times people ask me, Dean, why should I take your course? What's so special about your course? Can you tell me a little bit about your course and what can I expect? I'm kind of biased, so I asked this question to a client of mine. Her name is Eve Goffings. She's from Belgium. English is her second language, and she had been dealing with sciatica and piriformis syndrome for 10 years, not getting any relief. The doctors told her she would never be able to hold down a job. In therapy, they were just aggravating her problems further, and out of desperation, she found us on Facebook. And so I asked her the question, and I am just going to let her answer the question about my course for you.
So if you're contemplating on getting the course, I really understand you're being skeptical, and I actually think you need a good amount of desperation to reach out to some unknown physical therapist that promises you health. I would advise you to do the math as well. How much has it cost you already with the problems you've had, with the pain you're in? If it's not only monetary costs, but also emotionally and physically. If you do the math, it's a good idea to just try it. And it's not just trying it because it actually works. I would like to just in a short way tell you what the program is about. It's actually like going to a physical therapist, but then it's an online course. You would be scared to say, like, maybe I will not be able to ask questions, or how do I know if I'm doing this well? The program actually entails every question that you would have, or if you feel something and you're not sure if you're doing it right, it's already included in the program. And in the off chance that it's not, you can always reach out to Dean and ask the question yourself, and he will get back to you pretty quickly. I haven't had to do it because the program includes so many things and so many answers to questions that I might have. So if that is something that's holding you back on trying the program, you don't need to. Everything is explained very easily, even for someone that doesn't speak English natively like me. The doctor said I would never be able to work full-time again. And even just finding a job, even half-time, would be difficult because most employers would look at my CV and see that I was out of work for about 5 years. Starting up again, having to quit again. So I never expected to be able to work. Since I've started the program, I was able to start an internship at a local police station, and I've just found out I'm getting a fixed contract. So everything that everyone told me I would never be able to do again was wrong, and I'm working again. I'm living my life again, going out, driving my car. So everything has changed. But she lives about 2 hours drive from here. And I had a big role in the wedding, but I was scared for 2 years if I would be able to make it. I drove there in a ball gown for 2 hours during a heat wave. I performed their wedding ceremony and I sang their first dance. I had the best night. I danced all night and then drove the 2 hours back. Without any painkillers, and the next day I was fine. That's even a bigger miracle than working again to me.
If what Eve says has hit a chord, struck a nerve, rings true, and resonates with you, I would strongly encourage you, click the link below, look through the different course material that is down there, because that is all I'm going to put below this video. And I sure hope to see you on the inside of the course and hear the stories of your return to normalcy, just like Eve's.